We're over here watching the Indy 800. I'm about to chop this bar at a Blake store, so I figured I'd make a little Modeliano Tech Tips Friday for you guys on the most efficient way to do this without, you know, risking denting your doors and just, you know, if you want to do this, you don't want to mess anything up. First off, these little, so you don't rip these, they just got these little clips, so you got to pull up one way, it releases, and then pull the other way, and then so you didn't damage the hole. So down, up, down, up, so you can kind of get access to your spot welds. And then I'll mark those here in a second, show you guys where they're at, and we'll drill those out. So yeah, there's a spot weld right there, there's one right there, and let's see, where's the other one? It might just be those two. I might find another one, but you also want to get 1, 2, 3, 4 right there for this outside bar. And then on this side, I'm tripping, but right there, right there, right there, and right there. So we're gonna be drilling those out. And then as far as the bar itself, I'm gonna cut a wedge into it. So I'm gonna get my angle grinder, make a cut like this. I'll make a cut like this, and then I'm gonna cut a straight line in the bottom, and then we'll yank that out with a screwdriver, and from there we'll be able to get a better shot at the back without risking potentially going through the door. So I'll start doing that, and then we'll come back when we're ready to chop the bar, and you know, we'll film some of it too. A little bit of lube never hurt anyone, and so this is a drill bit specifically for we're all out of juice, but you know. Oh yeah. There we go. Yeah, I could use some light or actually that. Dang, I really
It'd help if you plugged it in, Mario.
Yeah, it wouldn't. Pretty happy with that for right now. So you hear that bite? Like I don't really want to go fully through it. I just want to hear that we went through the first layer. These ones, they're a little bit at an angle, so hopefully it doesn't too. And then these ones, realistically, it's gonna be hidden by the plastic, so I'm just gonna go through them probably. On the door a little bit there, but okay, I realize the drill head is scratching the inside of the door here, but this is a race car. If you don't want that, just get a longer drill bit. Like, this drill bit sucks for this particular kind of spot. I'm sorry. Alright, I'm happy with that for now. Like, the spot welds aren't the end all be all, so you guys will see in a minute what I mean by that. The drill? It's like smoking.
Yeah, Brent said this drill smokes. Smoke weed every day.
I heard the bite. Got 40 in there, but not too crazy. I don't want to get too close to the door and risk going right through because this is pretty thin at this point. So those are basically meeting at this point, and pretty deep into the bar. Down here, they're also sort of meeting, so. Usually a flathead works better for this, but alright, there we go. Get our wedge, so. So, you know, now we gotta see if we can get this bar sort of to come back, but it's kind of glued to the thing, so you'd use something flat like this to sort of get the glue off the thing. Just don't pry because then you could put a dent in the door, but right here I'm just kind of breaking off these little glue spots so that the door isn't connected to the bar at all. And then for a little strip or whatever. Bar's kind of hot, so being careful here, but usually you get it to start like sort of bending this way.
Mario's on it. Yeah, he is. This is the.
It's right there. Okay, worst case right there.
Too.
So we got this aluminum. Just put it right behind there. Little insurance. Go a little further. See, there we go. The bar came through. Got a whole finger's length behind there. And there it went. So, in theory, if you got these spot welds on this side, just wiggle it. Comes right out. And this side, forgot to mention this, but on this side, we do need to pull these 3 bolts right here because that bracket goes completely around that side. So make sure to pull these 3. And like I said, we might be missing a spot weld, but we'll see real quick right now where it's at. Oh my goodness. Alright, so this is out of our way now. And look, on the back side here, I can also see sort of the spot where we're at, but boom.
Just like
there
that.
You go. Just like that. And I mean, this is not an insignificant amount of weight, so.
No, it's got some weight to it.
That's how you do it, but we have the holes back here, which are kind of covered. Back here, this plastic trim is not damaged. It's going to go right back on those, so that'll cover that. So really the only ones that you really have to show for is that. But this bolts right back in. No dents on the door, no dents on the back. And you're good to go. No shit.